All right, everybody. Dr. Blumenthal back with you here at Natural Transplants Bethesda office, and I am super pumped. We got Thomas. Thomas, welcome back, man. We saw you about a year ago. You look very different. You don't look like the same guy, thankfully. You had the procedure about a year ago, and we'll put up the before pictures so people can tell the difference. But man, it is. You look like a different guy. How was the experience? What have people said? Tell me how the year went.
Honestly, the experience was awesome.
Yeah.
I was very hesitant and very scared about like the procedure.
Sure.
And kind of like would I have regrets or whatever.
Yeah.
But honestly, like it's been a night and day. Confidence, like self-confidence, and kind of just not wearing a baseball cap out or just having that head of hair.
Right.
Friends, family, like my wife especially. She's like, oh. Gosh,
yeah,
like,
you can actually go to nice restaurants now because you don't have to wear a hat. It's great.
Exactly.
Yeah.
No, it's been a life altering experience.
Awesome.
Like,
oh man.
So I'm very happy.
When you answered, you had that smile, and I was like, "Oh, this is great." You can tell right off the smile when someone answers it. That's fantastic. Oh man, I love it. Well, do me a favor. Now we have you, and we're gonna, like I said, we're gonna compare the befores there. So just put your head down a little bit, hold it for like 2 or 3 seconds. Awesome. And then look back up at me, and then we'll go, pick a side, either left or right. And then other side. Beautiful. Very nice. And then if you can, turn kind of a little bit more towards the back. We can't see the scar, I'm assuming, even that, you got fine, thin hair, but that's pretty short. That looks awesome.
Yeah. Is that good?
Love it, man. Perfect. You're really good at this. That's great.
Yeah, I got my hair pretty short as well, and
Nothing. No issues with the scar. Fantastic. Awesome. And you had mentioned that other people had noticed something different about you?
Yeah. No, and the great thing is like everybody just thought it was natural. Like natural hair transplant. Like it literally looks natural.
Oh, that's great. That's great, man. Oh, I love it. Thank you for doing this, man. Hopefully this inspires somebody. I love the smile. And again, we had talked about it with your hair type, the fine, thin hair. Sometimes that requires that second coat of paint that I talk about. The good news is I don't think you need it. But if you ever want it, a little bit more pop, a little bit more density, or if you lose more of your natural hair, get a little bit more fullness, like I said, we're always here for you. And it's an option for you. But the good thing is you don't have it. You don't have to have it. You don't need it.
Yes.
Love it. Thomas, thanks, man. You look fantastic. We'll see you soon, okay?
So much.
All right, bud. Take care, man.